Guys, I'm still working though. I'm still going. Oh, I'm almost close though. This part has been nice. Electrical stroke air flying section. Like it's in between. Like I'm in between the two markets. Guys, I'm on. As I make this video lesson, I dey fear. I'm so scared because I know when person come tell me say, wetin dey record? What are you recording? Yeah. You know this ALABA men, there's how they are. So I know me anybody question me like all this their union now. The fit just come now, they ask me say wetin I dey record and all that. So guys, I'm just trying to be cautious. So I no enter wahala for this market, I swear, because I know them very very well. So guys, I'm still close to the shop, and this market can be so confusing. Like I fit go there today now, tomorrow I go find where I go before. Like where I just went yesterday, I will be looking for the place again. It's very very confusing. But anyhow, sha, we go find our way. Okay, so yes. I've seen one kind of signboard now. I'm close to that place, and I'm actually going to meet my brother. Yes, my team brother is one of the repairing this system for me. Oh God, I don't tire myself. So all these places now na system. Na laptop na dey take all. How far? How you dey? On this market. One at a time, man, no go for abeg. Jesus. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm there now. Shut up. See me I come find you. Wait, come and take this thing for me if you go in abeg. Just bring it out. Mm. Share it to my camera. Yeah, my baby disturb me, oh Jesus. Abeg, hope this will not take time. It's not if now, but it's to be today now. Why now? So guys, this Isiaki you see here now. I need the work system for me, yes. My twin brother. My Ejima. My Ejima wey no hungry still na me see am. Please work it very well, yeah. Una. Thank you. Work it very well, yeah. It's about mad. Try to water. Water is now. So if it's not water now, it's now. What can I do now? Thank God. I know people to be battery because battery now, you know how much battery now? I don't get money for that battery, I swear. Me, I know now. As last time I said I work for Kukubo side, battery was 3,000 something. How many years ago? Now. For one, top of now. 60,000 something. Okay. How many years ago? 4 years ago. More than 3 years now. More than 4 years, safe. Oh, I just pay very serious thing, I say. See your phone sharp. Not that you not go buy an 5 foot 1 ounce now. You go buy your phone now. 5 foot 1 ounce. I know I'm on this abeg. But the battery is okay, Abi. Imagine this morning, I come Nachi. The girl do TikTok video this morning. I asked Nachi, please let us just that I said room. Let me use it now. She agree, oh. I say no, she no even argue. Not before she dey carry face for everybody. Or visit, then she come out and follow everybody dey talk. Now cause make I use opportunity. Tell her, cause not your bag, your laptop, let me use it now, please. I want to post my 2 videos because them say, I better take this something. On my surprise, oh, I say, I can't carry and mute the plug am for light. No gree on. Thing pay me here. Is waiting. Woo. Eh, 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 eh. I'm coming, my boy. See my mouth. That's in the fasting. If you see me together with this boy, you know what I believe saying I make sure. Like you never believe. And him said, you know, they won't even accept the fact that I smear him. Like my junior brother. Even if my junior will be, but not my junior brother. So he said I should follow him. And I'm following him. And I rather sing one song for him. Say, then here you go. I gotta follow you. I started to do like this. Sorry, yo. How you taking my name? Ewo. Not be small celebrity. I'm fine, thank you. I'm doing now. I'm recording. Yeah. So any question for me? No, no question for you. I just follow this big head. Come here. You want me to repair my system? I'm not recording you.
Before I start, wait, make I laugh my laugh. This one I do. This one they call idiot. Wait, my background is okay. All right. You want me? Now slippers are we or you cut them? Okay. All right. Wait. Emeka, any comment? You want I know you will look. Wait. Anytime you look me this kind of look now. Now laugh won't come out from your face. Okay. Hi people, my name is Ifeanyi Chukwu. I'm into laptop sales and repair. So if you want to repair your laptop or you want to get a brand new or London used laptop, just and come to shop F1029 ALABA section of this market. So once you come, anything you want about your laptop and accessories will give you the best service. So I hope to see you guys. Thank you.
No problem. Guys, this guy doesn't like that. So. It's like this.
Sure, verified. Wanna patronize us, I beg, eh? Thank you. Very important. Yes, now. Very important.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. It's a pleasure.
So guys, I don't come up for ALABA like this. My brother, he asked me to go that I'll come back to the system. That more so he said long. Say get everything I go work for the system like that, yeah. So if you get back to me by tomorrow, I will get the laptop. So I'm on my way now going to church. Today is Thursday, so I'm going to church. I'm on my way. All this market now, market that customers come to buy. So all this area now is where they do the baby. Yeah, so different parks in a different area. So close to this place. So guys, I'm still going. No, I'm still going. On my way to church. I wish I can record myself so you guys will see me very well. But there's actually nobody to record me. So as you can see now, this place now, they are loading markets. All this market here I see now is like they're taking them for will be. So they'll be going to the different states and location. Even on this one safe. A package market like this. This one is another park now. So you can see different park around this area. So now it's going to the park where I send them. Where you upload this, you do maybe this market. So now another park. So now it's motor for the baby. It's a market, different people market, different customers in the market. Like all these ones are baby that people want to do. Even you said another park. Sorry, all these places like the market. Guys, I'm still going, selling that motor. This one too is still going to this one is still for baby. All this baby truck. That is it. And if you go closer, you see the market that they are loading. This one is it. I'm at the church, yo. I'm at the church. Like church never starts. I like being early. I like coming early, so I'll come and take my seat. I don't like the for back.